students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 2, that is determiners. So, determiners, what are determiners? Determiners functions like adjectives. ये किसकी तरह function करता है? Adjective की तरह कहाँ पे use होता है? हमेशा noun से पहले use होता है. Are used before noun. Many can be used as pronoun without a following noun. तो इनको में नहीं होता ये आपके नाउन आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो प्रोनाउन की तरह नाउन के बिना भी. सो सम डिटरमाइनर्स कैन कंबाइन विद ईच अदर. कुछ डिटरमाइनर्स एक दूसरे से कंबाइन हो जाते हैं. So here are the types of determiners like articles. A and the are the articles. So possessive determiners क्या होता है जो possession show करते हैं like my, your, his, her, its, are, their. Demonstrative determiners क्या होता है this, that, these, those are the demonstrative determiners. Now quantifying determiners or quantifiers. Quantifying determiners और quantifiers क्या होते हैं? So relating to plural now. Few, a few, fewer, many, several, both. तो ये क्या होता है जो relate करे तो plural nouns relating to plural or uncountable nouns like all, some, none, of, enough, a lot of, more, plenty of, most. So related to uncountable nouns जो uncountable होता है like it, much, less. Now relating to singular countable nouns जो singular countable nouns से relate करता है like another, every, each, one of, either, neither. There are all these are also known as distributive determiners. इनको भी हम distributive determiners कहते हैं. Now relating to singular, plural और uncountable nouns. तो singular, plural और uncountable nouns से relate करते हैं like any, half, no. Other determiners क्या होता है आपके like only, other, such. Numbers like cardinal, ordinal, fractional and multiplier. Fractions and multipliers. Now, interrogative determiners जो questions पूछ like what, which and whose. Now, articles क्या होता है? Like as I told you, a and the. So, these are the articles we use. A with the consonants and with the vowels. The is a definite article. So there are three words which are used as articles in English language. तीन words है जो article की तरह use होता है आपके English language में like a and the. तो a and क्या होते हैं आपके indefinite articles होते हैं. Definite articles क्या हुए आपके like the. Now a and an are the indefinite article as they refer to a noun in an indefinite manner. क्योंकि noun से refer करते हैं in indefinite manner में. A house means any house. एक house को मतलब होता है मतलब कोई भी house. A cup means any cup. एक cup का मतलब होता है कि कोई भी cup. And eagle means any eagle. एक eagle का मतलब होता है कि कोई भी eagle. And umbrella means any umbrella. एक umbrella का मतलब कोई भी umbrella हो सकता है, कोई definite तो है नहीं. तो द क्या हो गया आपका डेफिनेट आर्टिकल हो गया जो एक पर्टिकुलर चीज को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. इट refers to a noun in a definite manner. एक नाउन को ही डेफिनेट मैनर में रेफर करता है लाइक द बॉय इज प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम. इन दिस सेंटेंस द बॉय क्या आपका पर्टिकुलर बॉय हो गया जो ऑलरेडी है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. नाउ यूज ऑफ ए एंड कहाँ पे यूज होते हैं? ए और एन refers to any person or thing. किसी भी पर्सन और थिंग से रेफर करते हैं. Like they are also used to show that a noun is singular. नहीं यूज होता है कि ये शो करने के लिए क्या जो आपका नाउन है वो सिंगुलर है. Now a bird flies. This means any bird flies. कोई भी bird fly कर सकती है. I have a parrot. This means I have one kite. इसका मतलब क्या है कि हमारे पास एक ही parrot है. The use of a और n depends on pronunciation. जो use होता है a और n का किस पे डिपेंड करता है? प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे डिपेंड करता है. फॉलोइंग नाउन की एंड नॉट द स्पेलिंग. स्पेलिंग पे नहीं करता. बी यूज एंड इफ द नाउन बिगिंस विद अ वोवल साउंड. हम एन को कब यूज करते हैं जब आपका नाउन किससे बिगिन करता है? वोवल साउंड से बिगिन करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक एन एन ई क्या है आपका वोवल है. ए ई आई ओ यू आर द वोवल्स. एन ice cube and SOS and eco-friendly bus and object and empty and umbrella and apple. So the use of n with a noun beginning with a vowel sound is especially true. The use of the n that is noun beginning with a vowel sound so especially true होता है if the word has a silent h. अगर word में silent h होता है, for example like an orange, an iris, an ears, an honest man. So we use a If the noun starts with a consonant sound, हम ए को यूज करते हैं अगर हमारा नाउन किससे स्टार्ट हो रहा है कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहा होता है लाइक आ यूनिवर्सिटी यू जो है हमारा वॉवल तो है बट आवाज किसकी आ रही है वाई की आ रही है हमें एंड यूरोपियन फिर से वाई की साउंड आ रही है एंड यूएफओ वाई की साउंड आ रही है एंड ऑस्टिकल आ यूनिफॉर्म आ वन वन में किसकी साउंड आ रही है व वी की साउंड आ रही है ना तो ओ भी नहीं आ रही आ यूनिक थिंग तो वाई की साउंड आ रही है सो हमने यहाँ पे ए यूज करा है कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स हो गई आपकी तो वी डू नॉट यूज एन आर्टिकल विद प्रॉपर नाउन्स हम आर्टिकल को प्रॉपर नाउन के साथ यूज नहीं करते जो सच एज द नेम्स ऑफ पीपल एनिमल रोड स्कूल गेम्स और डेज of week or months of the year. For example, like my attends Hillwood School. My can't take attend करता Hillwood School को. I play cricket on Sundays. मैं Sundays को खेलता हूँ. Now, if an article is used before a proper noun, अगर आपका article proper noun से पहले use हो रहा है, तो कब आता है? It becomes a common noun. वो एक common noun बन जाता है. Like Sachin is the bread man of India, a player of breadman's caliber. He is a Kapoor, a member of Kapoor family. Now we do not use article. कहाँ पे use नहीं करते हम articles को? When a noun is used in general sense, जब आपका noun general sense में use होता है and stands for its class. For example, like man is mortal. Here man is used in general sense. यहाँ पे man is general sense में use हुआ है and represent कर रहा है पूरी class को. Woman is God's best creation. Here woman क्या आपकी किससे use हुई? General sense में use हुई है. Before the names of meals. Meals के name से पहले like we have breakfast at 7. He especially invites me to dinner. Before languages, languages से पहले भी हम articles use नहीं करते. English is not difficult to learn. Mandarin is spoken by most people in the world. Now, before names of relation, इनसे पहले भी use नहीं करते. an articles use नहीं करते. Like father, mother, uncle, grandfather, aunt, etc. Father is going London tomorrow. Mother goes to market to buy vegetables. यहाँ पे भी हमने articles use नहीं करे. Before abstract noun से पहले भी हम articles use नहीं करते. Use in general sense. For example, like honesty pays in the long run. Honesty आपका abstract noun है. Truth, honest, shrimps. Truth क्या है? ये भी आपका abstract noun है. यहाँ भी हमने articles को use नहीं करा. Now, before names of material names से पहले like gold is a precious metal. Coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. Now, before nouns and pairs, जो nouns आपके pairs में होता है like rotation of earth causes day and night. जो rotation होती है आपकी earth की वो day and night cause करती है. यहाँ भी हमने article use नहीं करे. Rice and curry is my favorite dish. Before nouns of unique position, जो nouns unique position होते हैं वहाँ भी हम articles use नहीं करते. He was promoted as principal of the school. He was elected secretary of the union. आपके unique position क्या हो गया? Principal और secretary. यहाँ भी हमने articles use नहीं करे. In certain phrases consisting of transitive verbs or preposition followed by its object. तो आपके कुछ phrases होते हैं like जिसमें क्या transitive verbs होते हैं, position, prepositions होती हैं, by जो किससे follow हो रही थी उसके object से follow हो रही होती है like to give ear, to send word, on demand, by name, to set food, at home, at night, at ease, to catch fire, to lose heart by day. Now, before home, church, hospital, prison, bed, school, work, sea, and town. For example, like he is at home, we go to church to pray. He was admitted in hospital. The thief was taken to prison. We go to bed to sleep. He arrives home after dark. तो यहाँ भी हमने articles use नहीं करे. Peoples go to school every day. She is not back from work yet. वो अपने काम से वापस नहीं आई. Children go to see it an early age. We were in town last Sunday. We go to town sometimes to buy clothes. So हमने यहाँ पे भी articles करा है. When the places mentioned above are located or used for reason ना is तो places होते हैं जहाँ पे जो मतलब mentioned होते हैं और जहाँ वो हम visit करते हैं वहाँ पे the necessary होता है like I went to the church to see the stained glass. He goes to the Windsor sometimes to get lectures. In Mumbai, we lived near the sea. जिस particular place जो mention होता है like reason के लिए वहाँ पे हम the use करते हैं. For some years, this was the home of Lord boys. Now, possessive determiners. तो possession शो करता है like determiners my your his her its are there are called possessive determiners. They are showing the possession, that's why. So they are like adjective because they are always followed by a noun. Adjective की तरह होते हैं क्योंकि किससे follow होता है, noun से follow होता है. Now read the following adjective. The word in italics are आपके possessive determiners. जो आपके word italics में वो क्या है आपके possessive determiners है. The words in color वो printed है वो क्या है आपके nouns है. Maya is in his bedroom. I can't find my book. So ये क्या है आपके color printed आपके nouns है और italics वाले आपके determiners है. His, my, your, her, its, are, there. ये आपके क्या है आपके सारे ये possessive determiners है. And colored word दादा noun. Like that your dinner is in the fridge. Your क्या है आपका possessive determiner है. So that open your grammar book at page 45. Your क्या हो गया आपका possessive determiner. Grammar book क्या हो गया आपकी noun. Miss Julie left her purse at school. Her क्या हो गया आपका determiner हो गया और आपका purse क्या हो गया noun हो गया. The kettle has lost its spout. Rita and I have finished our homework. Ayush and Maya all will do their homework as soon as they get home. Now the words mine, yours, his, hers, ours and theirs are used as possessive pronouns. हम किसकी तरह use करते हैं? Possessive pronouns की तरह. The possessor its is not normally used as pronoun. तो its होता है उसको normally हम pronoun की तरह use नहीं करते. It is used only as determiner. तो उसको खाली हम determiner की तरह use करते हैं. The cat carried its kitten into the garden. Now demonstrative determiners क्या होते हैं जो like this, that, these, those. So the determiners this, that, these, those are showing words. क्या होता है आपके showing words होते हैं which use them before noun. जो हम use the before noun हमें को noun से पहले use करता है क्या किस लिए to show which thing or person we mean कि किससे हम mean कर रहे हैं like they are called demonstrative determiners. इसको क्या कहते हैं demonstrative determiners कहते हैं. We use this and these before singular nouns. हम this और these को singular noun से पहले use करते हैं. We use these and those before plural nouns. These और those और plural nouns से पहले use करते हैं. We use this and these when we point to or talk about. जो हम point कर रहे हैं जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो हमारे आसपास होती है उनके लिए हम this और these use करते हैं. और this, that और those जो चीज हमसे दूर है that are far away. Point or talk about things further away. So there are trees on this side, इस side. मतलब this side मतलब हमारे बिल्कुल जो पास है of the road, but no trees on that side of the road. Can you tell me the price of that book in the top shelf? That book in the top shelf जो हमसे दूर है चीज. Those red apples look like knife, but these green ones taste better. जो red apples है वो वाले वो अच्छे हैं, but ये वाले जो green apples है ये best है. इनका taste अच्छा है. Look at these springs, little worms. ये मतलब जिनको तो हमारे पास है. Now the pronouns one and ones are often used after demonstrative determiner. जो one और ones है वो कब use होते हैं आपके demonstrative determiners के बाद like the here or reader knows what noun the speaker writer is referring to. जो hearer होता है जो reader होता है उसको पता होता है किस noun से आप refer कर रहे हो. Like that melon is too small. I will take this one piece. Though G's are smarter, but these ones fit me better. Now quantifying determiners or quantifiers. Quantifiers express amount of quantity. जो भी क्या express करते हैं कि कितना amount of कितनी quantity है. Some common examples are some, any, more, few, little, much, several, many, no. So read the quantifiers in the following sentences. Have some tea. I can't find any pen in the drawer. You have made several mistakes. Many people would follow us. There is very little rice left. Have you enough? Have you enough paint? Most students keep a mobile phone. How much milk is left? Now we use many with countable nouns. Yes, हम many का use करते हैं countable nouns के साथ. Much हम uncountable nouns के साथ use करते हैं. हम use करते हैं we use some and any with both countable nouns and uncountable nouns. हम some और any को हम countable nouns के साथ use करते हैं और uncountable nouns के साथ भी. We use any after not. हम any use करते हैं not to add and other negative words like as well as question. We use some in questions. हम some use करते हैं कुछ questions right where the answer is yes, जहाँ पर answer yes expected होता है, as well as in offer and as in offers and request. Some quantifying determiner consists of more than one words. कुछ quantifying determiners में एक word से ज़्यादा होते हैं. Like I have a few letters to write. Take a little food, even though you have no appetite. Some quantifying expression consist of quantifiers plus of. Quantifiers होते हैं और of होता है like a lot of mistake, lots of rice, man numbers of reasons, a plenty of papers in the printer. If we put a quantifier before an identifier, अगर हम quantifier को identifier से पहले लगाते हैं तो आपके like this that the with my be होता है usually हमें needed होता है of the between two types of determiner. Like some of the boys are missing. Which boys missing है? I had invited most of my friends. Much of this trouble could have been avoided. I don't need any of your books. We don't eat enough of those foods. We can leave out the noun after quantifying determiners. हम noun को छोड़ सकते हैं quantifying determiners पर when it is clear what noun they refer to. जब clear होता है कि किस noun से ये refer कर रहे हैं. This means that we are using the determiners as a pronoun. इसका क्या मतलब होता है कि हम determiners को use कर रहे हैं pronoun की तरह. Would you like some dessert? There's plenty here. Yes, I love some. There should be enough glue in the tube. Thanks. I've already used a little. Now, the combination quantifier plus of can be followed by a pronoun. किससे follow the pronoun? So, I know that we can use the object form of the personal pronouns as like some of us left suddenly. One of you may accompany me. Several of you have asked for discussion. So there are so many rules, like a lot of them are unnecessary. Now the quantifiers and their possible use. Quantifiers और उनके possible use. Each quantifier has its own range of uses. हर quantifier का उसका एक range of use होता है. Like observe their use given below. Few. Meaning not many, मतलब meaning होता है इसका ये ज़्यादा नहीं. Like quantifier plus mirror क्योंकि like you guess कि ना party थोड़ी ही guessed आए थे. Quantifier of or identifier plus plural like few of the guests came to the party. Quantifier of or pronoun few of them came to the party. Quantifier alone few came to the party. यहाँ पे quantifier few है आपका. Now एक second quantifier क्या है? A few. So quantifier plus plural noun a few guests came. Quantifier of identifier plus plural noun क्या हो गया? A few of the guests came. Now quantifier plus of plus pronoun plus pronoun a few of them came. Quantifier alone a few came. Now fewer. Quantifier plus plural noun. I ate fewer sweets than you. Quantifier plus of plus identifier plus plural noun. I ate fewer of the sweets than you. Quantifier of pronoun. I ate fewer of them than you. Quantifier alone. I ate fewer than you. Now many. Quantifier plus plural noun. Many verbs are irregular. Quantifier plus of plus identifier plus plural noun. Many of these verbs are irregular. Now quantifier plus of plus pronoun. So many of them are irregular. Quantifier alone many are irregular. यहाँ पे quantifier था हमारा many. Now several. हमारा यहाँ पे quantifier क्या है? Several है. So quantifier plus plural noun. Several insects are harmful. बहुत सारे insects harmful होते हैं. Quantifier of plus identifier plus plural. Several of the insects are harmful. Quantifiers plus of plus pronoun. Several of them are harmful. Quantifier alone. Several are harmful. Many is quite often used in general statement. जो many क्या है इसको हम general से बहुत सारी general statements से use करते हैं. Like many insects have only one pair of wings. और सारे insects में खाली एक pair of wings होते हैं. There are many different species of birds. But in particular reference, in general use a lot rather than many. तो particular reference हम lot of use करते हैं. जब many की जगह पे like I have a lot of friends. Delhi. Now quantify use plural nouns and uncountable nouns. All. So now All driver must have a license. On है आपका quantifier जो आपके plural nouns के साथ use होता है uncountable के साथ. All the students have passed. Side students pass हुए. All of the students score good marks. All of them have passed. All are welcome. Now enough. Second क्या है आपका quantifier जो plural और uncountable nouns के साथ use होता है enough. I have eaten enough food. Uncountable noun है यहाँ पे. I have eaten enough of that food, particular food. I have eaten enough of it. इसका बहुत खा लिया मैंने. I have eaten enough. Now a lot. A lot of students speak English. ये क्या आपका plural noun है. A lot of students speak English. A lot of them speak English. A lot of paper was thrown away. Uncomfortable noun है. A lot of paper was thrown away. A lot of it was thrown away. ये क्या आपका paper है. Now read the following carefully. All leads off before a personal pronoun but can come directly before a possessive or demonstrative pronoun. एक और लीड होता है पर्सनल प्रोनाउन से पहले उसको हम डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हैं बिफोर पॉजेसिव और डेमोंस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस लाइक ऑल ऑफ देम हैव पास सब पास हुए ऑल ऑफ दीज और दीज हैव पास मोर हैज टू मीनिंग मोर के दो मीनिंग होते हैं इट इज द कंपैरेटिव ऑफ मेनी एंड मच इट होता है कंपैरेटिव होता है मेनी और मच का आई हैव रीड मोर बुक्स देन यू आई हैव डन मोर वर्क देन यू इज it also means additional we need more practice is there more work to do. Most also has two meaning. बहुत सारे also के भी most also most के भी दो meaning होता है. It is superlative of many. यही superlative होता है many और much. Now we have really most books. We have done most work. So now I can. It can also mean the majority. Majority से भी mean कर सकता है. Most आपका a greater proportion से भी. Most comics are interesting. Most work is waste of time. Greater proportion. Now, either and neither are used with singular noun. Either or neither का use होता है singular nouns के साथ. Like we use either when we talk about the choice that is one or the other. हम either use करते हैं जब हम choices के बारे में बात करते हैं one या उससे ज़्यादा. We use neither when we mean not one nor the other. I can ride with either hand. Neither of the twins have a driving license. Now to talk about two things together, we use both. जब हम दो चीजों के बारे में एक साथ बात करते हैं तो हम both का use करते हैं. Both twins have blue eyes. Both the cats and the dog belongs to John. किसके हैं वो John के हैं. दोनों twins की क्या है blue eyes है. जब हम दो चीजों से रेफर करते हैं we use another with singular countable nouns. हम another का use करते हैं singular countable nouns के साथ like shall I pass you another slice of cake? There is another yellow taxi. Another is also used before the few. Another few से पहले use होता है with numbers. For example, give me another few minutes. Give me another 5 minutes. Now, uncountable nouns are not used with articles a or n. ये a और n के साथ use नहीं होते. They may be preceded by quantifiers such as some, any, no or a little. Some quantifiers because of words quantifier में words होता है जैसे कि आप क्या हुए Please give me a glass of water. Words है यहाँ पे. Now, interrogative determiner. Last topic. So build the question determiner what, which and whose before nouns to ask for people things to be identified. हम किसके लिए करते हैं यूज नाउन से पहले यूज करते हैं उसके बारे में क्वेश्चन है people think से पहले जिसको हम आइडेंटिफाई करना है. They are called interrogative determiners like what size of shirt do you wear? What kind of bird is that? Tell me what game you enjoy most. Which school do you go to? Do you know which bus goes to the zoo? Which book do we need to open? Whose shoes are these? Whose coat are hanging there? So the determiners what, which and whose. इसका यूज होता है सिंगुलर ड्यूरल नाउन से पहले like what time suits you best कि कौन सा टाइम तुम्हें सबसे बेस्ट सूट करता है. What colors are there in the national flag? Which scarf? What neck is my dress? Which students are coming on the tour? Whose work is the neatest? Whose shoe made the most noise? So that's all for determiners. I hope you all like the explanation of determiners. See you in the next class.